When it comes to brands, many people wonder whether or not brands are the same across the board or if there are comparable differences between the brands. With shingles, that's no different. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about the different factors that are affected depending on what type of brand you choose and whether or not they're as important as the other factors. Also, this video is focusing more on the similar products that are offered in between all the brands. We're not going to be focusing on any headliner, any premium products that are offered by only specific brands. Think more asphalt shingles across the board. With that out of the way, I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you so much for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get started. What factors are affected by the shingle brand you choose? The things that are the most affected by the shingle brand you choose is the color options that are provided and the manufacturer's warranty that comes with those materials. However, among many of those top brands, you'll find the options that they provide for those two things are about the same. For colors, you'll have your reds, your blacks, your blues, your grays, all offered under different names. And for the same thing with the manufacturer's warranty, you'll have a streak warranty, you'll have a manufacturer's defect warranty, and so on. Now, you may be asking yourself about one of the biggest factors to any roof replacement, and that's the cost. Well, while technically that might change in between different brands, it's going to be very marginal compared to the other factors that affect the cost way, way more than a shingle brand would. What other factors have a greater effect? Now, there are two main factors that are going to affect your roof replacement much more than the shingle brand, and that's the actual product you use and the contractor that you go with. For the product, we're talking 3-tab asphalt shingles, architectural shingles, and luxury shingles. That's going to affect the cost, the look, and the durability of your shingles much more than the actual brand name that you're using. Same thing with the contractor, the price is going to change, and it doesn't matter what product or brand you're using if it's not installed properly. Why do roofers recommend certain shingle brands? Something that contrasts everything that I just said is that some roofing contractors either refuse to work with certain brands or they only exclusively work with certain brands, but there's a reason behind this. Usually a contractor will use certain brands just depending on their professional experiences with them. I can guarantee you that if there's ever a manufacturer's defect that is not honored and a roofing contractor has to cover that, they're not going to use that shingle brand again. Similarly, if they've never had a problem with a certain brand, then there's no real reason for them to try to change it. Kind of like a if it isn't broke, don't fix it type of thing. There are other reasons why a contractor might use a certain brand. One of the reasons is that brand may just be more readily available and reliable in their area. The other reason might be that the contractor gets a kickback from the manufacturer if they sell a certain amount of product by that manufacturer. Now, you may be a little justifiably suspicious from that second one, but the way you can assure that the contractor actually trusts their brand and aren't just using it for the money is if they have a warranty that will cover any manufacturer's issues that the manufacturer itself is not covering under their own warranty. If the contractor is willing to cover for that manufacturer's mistake, then you can be assured that that contractor does indeed trust the brand that they're using. For instance, we at Bill Reagan Roofing Company have a no blame game guarantee that does just that. So there you have it. You're still welcome to go for certain shingle brands, but none of it's going to matter, like I said before, if you don't have a good roofing contractor to install it for you. And for more information about that, you can click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch our video on how to hire a good, reputable roofing contractor. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe, it helps a smaller channel like us grow, and leave a comment down below if you have any ideas on what you'd like to see covered. We'll see you next time.